In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Krita as a PDF step by step using a simple export and print method that works really well if you need to turn your artwork into a document file. This is especially useful if you want to share your drawing, send it for review, or keep a clean PDF copy of your work without going through complicated extra software. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in Krita and go to the top menu. Click File, then choose Export. This is the key step because Krita doesn't usually save directly as a PDF in the standard way most people expect. Instead, we'll export the artwork as an image first. When the export window opens, look for the file format drop-down and set it to PNG image. PNG is a great choice because it keeps your image quality clear and sharp. After selecting PNG, choose where you want to save the file on your computer, give it a name, and then click Save. If Krita shows any additional export settings, you can usually leave them as default unless you have a specific reason to change them. Once the PNG has been saved, the next step is to open that file using your computer's default photo viewer. You can do this by going to the folder where you saved it and double-clicking the image. When the image opens, you'll now use your system's print feature to create the PDF. On Windows, press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. On a Mac, you can use the print option from the menu or the equivalent shortcut. This will open your print dialog. Now look for the print to destination drop-down. On Windows, change it to Microsoft Print to PDF. On Mac OS, choose Save as PDF. This is what turns your PNG image into an actual PDF document. Before printing, take a moment to check the page orientation and scaling settings so your artwork fits the page the way you want it to. If your image is too large or too small, adjust the fit or scale option until it looks right in the preview. Once everything looks good, click Print. Your computer will then ask you where you want to save the PDF file, and after you choose the location and file name, the PDF will be generated. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Krita artwork as a PDF using a very simple method. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.